Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Metamask and your Phantom wallet. And we're going to link everything to Phantom wallet because it's just easier for me. When you've created your Metamask wallet, obviously you have a secret recovery phrase. Make sure you have copied that secret recovery phrase information because you are going to need it a little bit later. So here we are in Phantom Wallet, and what you want to do is go to the top left where mine says A1 account. Yours might look a bit different if you actually named it, but I just made one for this video. So now this will open a little sidebar and you'll be able to see your accounts. Now you want to go to the little plus icon so you can add your Metamask wallet. What we are going to do is use the recovery phrase because that's the easiest way. So we're going to click on import recovery phrase. And so now we'll be brought to the recovery phrase screen. All you want to do is copy your Metamask wallet recovery phrase, and you want to just paste it in here and say import wallet. Now it's importing all your account information and you can just say continue. And that's it. You are done. You can click on get started and just open your Phantom wallet, and you will see here you have two different accounts, one for your Metamask and one for your Phantom wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing to the channel and have a good one.